Morning class. Today we gonna learn about volume of liquid. Now, who can tell me what do we use to measure a liquid, juice, water, in the container?
Me, sir.
Okay.
The answer is milliliter and liter.
Excellent. Okay, we use milliliter and
Liter.
and liter to
Yes.
measure juice in a container. Okay. If I give you 500 milliliter, 500 milliliter, and how do we convert 500 milliliter to liter? Okay. For your information, 1000 milliliter is 1 liter. Okay, 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. Okay. Now, how about 500 milliliter?
Equal to 0.5
Good. Answer. The answer is
0.5
0.5 liter.
Yes.
Okay. And now, in class, today we're gonna learn liquid. So I just tell you about how much is the line of 1 liter to 500 milliliter. Okay. And now we're gonna learn subtraction and addition in topic volume of liquid. Okay, what we're gonna learn today is addition and addition. Okay. Addition, no? Addition is plus plus plus.
Yeah.
Yes. I give you example. For example, 1 liter and 0.5 liter. How much is it?
I want to try.
Let's try. How
Yes.
much?
The answer is 1.5 liter.
And yes. The answer is 1.5 liter. But how do we turn this into a decimal or fraction? Okay, I give you example of. Okay, I give you example and I show you how to complete the question. Okay, 3. 4 plus 6. Okay, how about this question? So, we're gonna take fraction to add with 0.5. We can do this because what?
I don't know.
We don't know.
Okay. Okay, how we gonna solve this question? So we got the fraction and we got decimal. So first we need to convert fraction to a decimal. How? So we use divided. Okay. As you see, we got a 3/4.
Yes.
Okay. So we divide 3/4. Okay. Do you know how to divide it? Okay. Can we divide 3/4?
No.
No. So we need to what? Add 0.
Add
Oh,
0.
yeah.
Okay, 0. So how much for we need to okay. First we need to divide this equation.
Yes.
Okay, 3 divided by 4. Okay? Come on.
Okay, no.
So we put 0. But first, what we gonna first can we convert fraction to decimal. So we need to add a point to move dots. So this 0. Okay. What number is closest to 30?
I think 28.
28. Okay, 20. Oh, 28.
Yes. Moving on.
Okay, the closest to 30 is 28.
Yes.
How much more we need to got 28?
Yes.
7. Good job. Okay. 30 minus
8.
28. How much? Is 2. Okay. And now, can 2 divided by 4?
No.
Still no. So we have more 0. Okay. How much? What the closest number to 20?
Yeah, I think 5.
20.
20.
20. Okay. How much more we need to get a 20 is 5. Then
0.
we got 0. So we solve this dividing this equation. So 3 over 4
Yes.
is equal to 0.75. Okay. So what the question we need to solve is, if 3 over 4 is 0.5, what we got in this? Good.
Yes.
We got 3.75 liter plus 0.56 liter. And the answer,
The answer
we
is
need to
yes.
Azim. Yes. Okay, we need to make equation first. Okay, 3.75 liter
That's
plus
0.56 liter.
liter. Okay, 5 plus 6, how much?
11.
11. Okay. If 11, okay, so 8 plus 5? 13. Okay. So the answer is 4.31 liter. You get it?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. We move to another topic, subsection. You see in this topic, volume of liquid. And now I give you an example. I give you 2 water. Okay. Okay. In this water, we got I give 1 liter. 1 liter. Yes. 1 liter. And this water, as you can see, is bigger than this water. So how much? 3. Okay, 3 liter. So you see this. I need you. How much the difference this water and this water? 2 liter.
Yeah.
What? Because
Because
3 minus 1
Is
is
equal
2. Equal to 3 liter minus 1 liter equal to 2 liter. Okay. And now, I give you a question. Secret question might be a little difficult, but I believe you can do this. Okay. I give you 12 1 minus, but this is liter. But I want you get the answer in milliliter.
It's so hard.
Okay. So what do we need to do first? If you got a question and okay, I change the question. 8.5 liter. Okay, we got a fraction and decimal.
So, first we need to convert the fraction into decimal.
Yes. How do we convert?
By dividing.
Okay, dividing. Okay, we got a from left 1, 2 liter. Okay, 12 liter. Okay, and what over 2? We need to make dividing. So, okay, 2, 1 and 2.
Yes.
Okay. You should see. Can 1 divided by 2? So we put 0 and don't forget this. Point. Okay. Can 10 divided by 2?
Divide by 2. Yes.
Yes. How? Okay, we got 10. How much 2 we need to get 10? 5. Okay, good. Okay, 10 minus 10 is 0.
0.
We got 5.
Yes.
And what this will be? We got 0.5. If 1 over 2 over 1 over 2 is equal to 0.5. And what is gonna be? We got 12.5 liter. Okay. But we not done. We not done yet. Okay. We make a subtraction minus 8.5 liter. But okay. Okay. We how much is it? It is. We make an equation. 12.5 liter minus 8.5 liter. How much? 5 minus 5.
0.
0. Okay, 2. No. So we make a loan.
Yeah, we have a lot.
1, 0, and 12.
Yeah.
12 minus 8. How much?
4.
4. Good. Okay. So the answer is
4 liter.
4 liter.
4 liter.
4 liter.
You can answer 4 liter. Are we done yet?
No.
No.
We have to convert.
We convert that. How?
Yeah.
As I explained to you guys, 1 liter equal to 1,000 milliliter. Okay, how much is 4? If 1 liter is 1,000 milliliter, and what we're gonna do? Multiply.
Multiply.
4 multiply 1, how much is it? 4 liter. 4 liter. And okay. As you know, multiply is operation of adding but continuous. So 1,010, 1,000, 1,000,
4 times.
4 times. How much? 4,000 milliliter. So the answer is
4,000
milliliter.
okay. You get it?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So now I will give you some problem solving question.